Monosaccharides are the simplest carbohydrates and generally have 3 to 6 carbon atoms. Blood sugar, or glucose, is a 6-carbon monosaccharide. It is the primary source of energy in our bodies, and regulating its concentration is essential to our survival. Glucose is present in the human body in both the acyclic form and cyclic form. The acyclic form is represented using a Fischer projection. The hydroxyl groups of acyclic monosaccharides undergo ring closure reactions to form hemiacetals, or the cyclic forms. The flat ring structures are called Haworth projections and are often used to represent the cyclic form of monosaccharides. Let's learn how to draw the cyclic form of any aldohexose from the acyclic form by using D-glucose, blood sugar, as an example. To start, we need to identify which of the 5 OH groups in D-glucose is at the right distance from the carbonyl group to form a 6-membered ring. This OH group, circled, is the right distance away from the carbonyl to form the 6-membered ring. To convert this acyclic form into a cyclic hemiacetal, rotate the molecule 90 degrees. Notice that the groups that were on the right side of the molecule are now below, facing down. Next, wrap the OH group on carbon 5 up close to the aldehyde carbonyl, as shown here. In the process of doing this, the CH2OH group at the end of the chain ends up above the molecule, facing up. We are now ready to close the ring. The OH group on carbon 5 and the carbonyl carbon form a new carbon-oxygen bond. In the process of forming this bond, a new chiral center is produced. The new OH group is either up or down. The alpha anomer of glucose, called alpha-D-glucose, has the OH group on the anomeric carbon facing down. The beta anomer, called beta-D-glucose, has the OH group facing up. Haworth projections are useful for drawing and representing cyclic monosaccharides in 2 dimensions, but it is important to note that the rings are actually not flat in 3 dimensions. These 3-dimensional structures illustrate the non-planar structure of cyclic monosaccharides.